You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more English pronunciations of confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You need to watch after this one and listen to and learn from. The top word is pronounced either sow, if we're looking at an adult female swine or a pig. Sow is how it's pronounced. Now, if it's the verb, S-O-W, it's pronounced saw. Okay, now the bottom word is the past tense of the verb to see, and that's pronounced I saw in British English, or I saw in American English. So, top word sow or sow, bottom word sow or saw. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.